We are going to be making this rock frame. Now as you can see, we've also made a stand for a frame to stand up, and I think this is one of the coolest crafts we have because most of this material is recyclable or free, and you get this lovely craft item. Now let's get started. Our frame is 5 inches by 7 inches long. You can choose whatever size you wish. I have a piece of black board or cardstock that I'm going to use to the front of the frame. I have a thick piece of cardboard that I'm going to use in the middle of the frame, and this softer piece of cardboard I'm going to use to form the stand at the back. I also have a little strip that is 1 inch by 5 inches, and that's going to form the little stand at the back here, little brace. Okay, so I'm going to start by gluing my black piece onto my cardboard. Apply some glue. Onto that. Make sure I get all of the little ends. There we go. Right. Leave that to dry. This is my softer cardboard. It is 7 inches long. I'm going to mark the center point, which would be 3.5 inches. And I'm going to draw a line. Mark the other 3.5 inches. So I can draw a line. Okay. Now this is the line I'm going to use. And I'm really holding my ruler down there. See, so it starts to bend in half. I'm going to take my smaller strip. I'm going to mark off 1 inch and 1 inch on either side. Okay. And I'm going to use that line again with my ruler to bend it in. And you can see this is what I have formed. Okay. Now I'm going to add this half of my soft piece onto the back. So let's do that. So I'm only putting glue on the half because I'm only gluing the half. Okay, this piece will stick up. And now this piece will come like so. However, I'm only going to glue, for now I'm only going to glue this onto here, and when we have finished putting all of our rocks, then we'll come back and finish this part of the craft. So I'm going to put this in the middle. Okay, make sure things are lined up. And I'm going to turn it over. And now we can begin to add rocks to our craft. Now if you want, you can use your ruler to just mark a line, so you have an idea of where your rocks stop. This is an optional step to give you a guide, so don't go wonky. Now I'm going to start by adding this shell, and of course if you have lots of shells you can make a shell frame. I'm going to add some glue at the top here to secure my shell. Okay, make sure I have enough glue to secure my shell. Okay, and now I'm going to start adding rocks. And so we have put in all of our pebbles onto our craft. We have to wait for them to dry. Okay, and once it's dried, we're going to attach this piece onto the back so that it can stand. There's only one thing I think left to do, because this is such a cool craft. So whoever is looking at this video, this is for you. Have lots of fun making this craft. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and of course you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.